Hi, Brookie. What are you doing? You got out of your cage, didn't you? Yes, you did. That's a monkey. What did your monkey do? Oh, where are you going? You gonna go in a circle? Very good. Why don't you come to mommy? Dada's not here. Come to mommy. Oh, bumps. Come to mommy. Oh. She's safe. Good girl. Yeah? Ooh, you're a stinky girl. Did you go poopy? Did you go poopy? Did you go poopy? Yeah. Say hi. Where are you going? Wanna come over here, Bookie? Come over here. Come over here. Hello. Let's show everyone your teeth. Where are your teethers? Smile. Smile. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye.